Welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove hidden icons from Taskbar in Windows 10 and keep your taskbar clean and organized. Now let's get started. Step 1, right-click on the Start menu and click on Settings. This is where you control most system options in Windows 10, including personalization and taskbar behavior. Step 2, in the Settings window, click on Personalization. This section allows you to customize how Windows looks and feels, including colors, themes, and the taskbar. Step 3, now click on Taskbar from the left panel. This option contains all settings related to taskbar layout, notifications, and system icons. Step 4, scroll down to the notification area and click on Select which icons appear on the taskbar. This option lets you manage which apps are visible or hidden. Step 5, toggle off the icons you want to remove. Turning an icon off means it will no longer appear in the Hidden Icons section or taskbar. Step 6, click on the Hidden Icons arrow on the taskbar to confirm the icons are removed. This helps you quickly verify that your changes were applied successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.